Alright, let's take the Kodak Ektar 100 out of this box. Then we're going to load it in a couple cameras, and then I'm going to show you some sample photos taken with this film so that you know what to expect from it. First thing we're going to do is open up this tab on the end and pull the top of the box off. If your camera has a memo holder like this on the back of it, you can slide this into that memo holder so you know what kind of film you have loaded in your camera. Next, we're going to take the cassette container out of the box and remove the film. This type of camera has an automatic film advance. So if your camera has an automatic film advance, simply load your roll of film into this side, pull out a leader, and set the leader by the orange index on the far side of your camera. Close the back of your camera and your film will start to advance by itself. Some cameras have silver pins right here which read the DX code on the cassette to know what type of film is loaded. If your camera does not have DX codes, be sure to set your film speed on the camera. ASA and ISO are the same number. For cameras that have a manual advance like this one does, we're going to open up the back, we're going to drop the cassette into the back of the camera, push the post down into place. We're going to feed the leader into the take-up spool over here, and then hold our finger over the sprocket just like this. Now we can close the back of the camera. At this point, advance your camera until you reach frame number 1, and then remember to set your film speed to 100, which is the ASA, or the ISO, of your film. Now here are some sample photos taken with Ektar 100 so you know what to expect from this film.